Hello. In this video, I'm going to review the spread indicator on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, as the name suggests. This indicator displays the trading spread for us on 4 open ticks. Let's go through the settings of this indicator together.
Learn and enter the world of binary option with us. Binary option indicators, powerful strategies, learn, trade, win. Level up your trading.
The first option in the font settings is the font size with Soshek, which we can specify. The next option is the font itself, which we can use fonts that are supported by the backend trader. The next option is the corner where this label is displayed, which we can use in any of the 4 corners. The next option is the distance of this label from the vertical axis, which we can enter this number in pixels here, and the next option is the distance from the horizontal axis, which is also show a value in pixels, which we can enter here. And the last,
do you know why your profits are smaller than your losses? Because you don't analyze your trades, you just execute them. Download the Trading Journal app for MetaTrader 4 and 5 for free now.
Option is the number that we want to display an alert to Richard if the value exceeds that number. If it is 0, it will not display an alert at all. But if there is a value that exceeds that number, it will display an alert to Richard. You can also use the MT5 version and this indicator on the MetaTrader 5 platform. In the end, if you have any comments, criticisms, or suggestions, you can share them with us through the comments section to help improve the indicators.